back to the channel. Today's vlog is brought to you by my good friends at National Parts Depot. Stop by and check them out, npdlink.com. Alright guys, so it is extremely cold out here today. Extremely sunny, which is nice, but cold anyway. But what I've got for you today is a couple of different things. A lot of people have been asking when I'm going to have some write-ups done on the website about the coyote swap. Well, there's two. And let me just say, this stuff takes a lot of time to get done. You have to write the articles, you have to do the layouts, you have to do all the publishing, you have to get all the links right, you have to send all the links. It's an extremely time-consuming process. So that's what I've been doing over the past 24 some hours. I didn't get to do as much work on the car as I wanted to, and so that's been kind of frustrating. But what I'm going to do, because there's so much cool stuff there and I've never taken you over there, I'm going to take you to the website and just kind of let you see some of the stuff that's over there, because it's super badass. But first, I got some errands to run. I got packages to ship and I need a drink. So that's what we're doing now. Let's go. We are officially getting some errands run today. In case you wondered, yes, I do sell merchandise, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, keychains, stickers, all that fantastic stuff. T-shirts, I think I said t-shirts. But here's the thing, when an order comes in, I have to pick it, pack it, ship it, send confirmation, blah, 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 and take it to the post office, all that good stuff. So that takes up quite a bit of my time as well with the orders that are coming in. And then, of course, like I was just saying about the website, I've got 2 brand new articles, actually 3 brand new articles up. One of them is about installing the Bear Rig Big brake kit on my buddy Mike Javanis' car. So that's a super good article. And then, of course, the like the Facebook page, that has to be constantly updated, you know, 7 days a week. And then Instagram as well. And also Twitter. So it's like my time to get out and actually wrench on the car sometimes is very limited. So it is frustrating, but you know, it's one of those things where this is like my baby. This whole thing that I've created here, as well as YouTube, is it's like my child, and so I'm okay with nursing it along 24 hours a day. Good with it, totally. So the cooler thing is, over the weekend, this coming weekend, I'm going to be out at Dover's Garage, and of course Jeremy will be there, and we're going to try to do some stuff on Scott's car as well as my car. So lots more updates for you on the coyote swap. So I'm super excited about that. That's anytime I can turn some wrenches on the car, I'm always in a good mood. But the other thing I wanted to do is, like I said, I want to take you on the website and kind of just like give you the grand tour, let you check out, because there really is a lot of cool stuff. I know websites are quickly becoming obsolete. You know, I actually had to ask myself this question the other day of like, what website do I actually get on other than my own? And the answer is really none. Most of the time people are on social media, and you know, it's weird just like how things progress and how things change, and sometimes how they stay the same. But anyway, I did want to like give you the grand tour of the website. It's a ton of good content over there. I promise you'll enjoy it. So real quick, let's go check out the website. This is just the landing page here. If you click subscribe right here, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then you just hit continue to site, take you to the actual site. It might help if I clicked it. But all right, so what do we got here? Top right here, we've got the last 3 YouTube videos I uploaded. Right here is the subscribers ride, subscriber picture, stuff like that. So if you are a subscriber, your vehicle can go on the website. Just email me a picture at caleb@thefoxcast.com. Right here is like our where I do the car features. I keep saying our, it's me. Let's see, this was the last one we did, Jim Webb's 87 LX Coyote stock car. But this is like how the features go. It's pretty much what you're used to, and there's tons. Hold on, I think at this point I've got over 300 car features on here. I don't know. There's a lot. Hold on, I'll kind of give you an idea. But yeah, lots. What else? Featured products right here. New and hot and products I'm using, stuff like that. Do a quick write-up on, links to check them out, pictures, stuff like that. And got emails rolling in. This is the article I was telling you about earlier. This is about the bare brakes and stuff, but that one just launched. And then there's some more tech articles over here, everything from cooling, suspension, wire tucks, stuff like that. And then also the Coyote Swap articles 1 and 2 are both up on the website, so definitely check those out. And let's see what else we got. Then I've got just the blog right here, event coverage from some of the events I went through this year. And let's see, we've also got, these are the sponsors right here. Stop by and check every one of these out. I only work with the very best in the industry, so if they're on here, trust me when I say you want to work with them. Right here is the Project Road Warrior page. This one's kind of devoted to the car itself. Got the links here. Picture dump for the Coyote Swap. What else? Featured products, features, event coverage, tech. Do have a podcast. Haven't done one of those in a while. Didn't really take off too well. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Let's see. And then, of course, you got the store. Definitely have to stop by the store. Subscription, t-shirts, hats, hoodies, keychains, lanyards. Sell your car through the site. Pretty cool stuff. Built it myself. No experience at all. Anyway, but just wanted to give you kind of a quick look at what the website is, what it's all about, and, hopefully help you navigate it a little bit if you hadn't been. But definitely check it out. A lot of good articles and pictures and stuff like that, so recommend. All right, so now I'm in a really good mood. Got all of my errands run. Got to let you check out the website. However, I actually do have one more errand to run, and if you've been following the vlog for quite a while, you know I am a Monster Energy convert. I am now super tight with my boy 50 Cent on that vitamin water, and I must say I feel like a new improved man with vitamin water. I definitely recommend you should try them. No, they're not a sponsor, but they are pretty damn good. I appreciate them. So one more thing, we gotta go get a Monster. We gotta go get a vitamin water. Now I've got Monster on the brain. So my drink run is complete, and actually, just a quick update, I am now drinking the Power C Dragon Fruit. That sounds pretty provocative. Yeah, it's really good though. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's upload. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're a first-time viewer, please smash that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. 5 brand new videos a week. And tomorrow there may possibly, I'm not 100% sure, be a Friday beatdown. If you are new to the channel, on Fridays I like to show off your kills from the track, highway pulls, crazy burnout, stuff like that. All legal in Mexico, of course. So email is in the description if you want to submit those, but I do possibly, maybe, have one for you tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Have a great night. Be safe. Later.